Today in this video I am going to share how to remove blackheads and whiteheads at home. To remove blackheads and whiteheads you should follow a 3-step process. Step 1. Steaming. Steam your face with hot water for 20 to 25 minutes. Steaming opens your pores and helps loosen dirt particles, softens blackheads and promotes circulation. After steaming, rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with soft towel.
Storyblocks Audio.
Step 2. Scrub. Ingredients needed. Curd, honey, rice flour, sandalwood powder. Mix 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon of curd with half teaspoon of honey. Scrub it all over the face. Concentrate more on your black and white heads. Wash it with cold water. Use twice a week. Rice flour is an excellent source of vitamin B which helps in the production of new cells. Rice flour helps to get fair and bright skin. Step 3. Ice cubes. Rub ice cubes for about 10 to 12 minutes. Don't rub ice cubes on a particular area of your face for more than a minute. Ice cubes heals and prevent acne, remove black and white heads, reduce dark circles, exfoliate your skin, reduce eye puffiness and wrinkles. Please like, share, subscribe to Little Pot.